Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Brain Bridge, and I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha. This is the series of answer writing program, and this is the fifth question of Geography GS. The question is: despite India being one of the countries of the Gondwana land, its mining industry contributes much less to its GDP in percentage. Discuss. This question was asked in 2021. So let's understand this question because India is a part of Indian plate is part of Gondwana land. It started drifting from Gondwana land in northeast direction. Then it collide with Eurasian plate. You can see in this diagram. This is our Indian plate. It was attached with Gondwana land, means Madagascar, Africa, India, Australia, Antarctic, South Africa. ये सभी मिलके गोंडवाना लैंड बनाते हैं. देन आफ्टर सेपरेशन इंडियन प्लेट मूव इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन. और उस तरीके से आज जो इंडिया की लोकेशन है वो इस तरीके से बनता है. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन अगेन. Despite India being one of the countries of Gondwana land, although India was part of Gondwana land, so Gondwana land is full of minerals. It means lots of minerals are there in Gondwana land, in whole Gondwana land. तो इंडिया में भी होगा. Then mining industry contributes much less to its GDP. इट मीन्स हमारे पास माइनिंग के लिए बहुत सारे मिनरल्स हैं, लेकिन फिर भी हमारे यहाँ माइनिंग इंडस्ट्री से जीडीपी में बहुत कम योगदान मिलता है. व्हाई? सो आवर फर्स्ट स्टेप, दैट इज आंसर फॉर्मेट. सो आंसर फॉर्मेट अगेन थ्री पार्ट: इंट्रोडक्शन, मेन बॉडी एंड द कंक्लूजन पार्ट. So in introduction, you can also draw the diagram. Then you will start that Indian plate was started from separating from Gondwana land and move in north east direction. So it was part of Gondwana land. It is full of minerals. You will accept it. Then why India is not earning from mining industry? We will explain it in main body part. This is the main question. Then in conclusion part, we will conclude by explaining few more lines because introduction would be very short. So first part, introduction. India's relatively low contribution of the mining industry to its GDP, despite being part of geologically rich Gondwana land, can be attributed to several interrelated factors. और ये factors हमारे main body के part होंगे. So first factor is resource distribution and quality. First is geological factor. While India has significant mineral resources, distribution and quality of these resources vary. High quality deposits that are economically viable to mine might be limited in comparison to the overall geological potential. Second, resource potential. The Gondwana land formation endowed India with coal, iron ore, and other minerals, but the country lacks in some high value minerals like gold and diamonds, which are found in larger quantities in other part of the world. So first point क्या बता रहा है कि हमारे यहाँ है तो अवेलेबल, लेकिन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और क्वालिटी में थोड़ा अंतर भी है. हाई क्वालिटी का जो मिनरल है वो हमारे यहाँ थोड़ा सा कम है, और उसको निकालने के लिए अगर माइनिंग की जाए तो कॉस्टिंग ज्यादा आ जाएगी और उससे फायदा कम होगा. सेकेंड थिंग कि हमारे यहाँ कोल, आयरन और अदर मिनरल्स तो हैं, लेकिन जो कीमती मेटेरियल्स हैं, मिनरल्स हैं, मेटल्स हैं, लाइक गोल्ड एंड डायमंड, वो हमारे यहाँ अवेलेबल नहीं है, जबकि वो दूसरे पार्ट में, लाइक साउथ अफ्रीका एंड अदर पार्ट. Second, regulatory and policy environment. Complex regulations are here. So India's mining sector is governed by complex regulation and a slow bureaucratic process. This complexity can deter investment and delay project implementation. Second thing is policy stability. Frequent changes in mining policies and regulatory framework can create uncertainty for investors, affecting long-term investment in the sector. So this is the second point. Now third point, environment and social challenges. Environment regulation. There are strict environment regulations which are essential for sustainable mining practices, but can also increase the cost and time required to develop mining projects. Second thing, land acquisition and rehabilitation. It is also a challenge for mining. Acquiring land for mining can be challenging due to legal and social issues. Displacement of communities and rehabilitation measures further complicate the process. Fourth point, in infrastructure and technology. Inadequate infrastructure like transportation and power supply, it hampers the efficient extraction and transport of minerals. हमारे पास इतना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रॉपर है नहीं कि हम एक्सट्रैक्शन कर सके. Second thing, technological gap. Many mining operations in India still rely on outdated technology. Latest technology नहीं है, and resulting in lower productivity and higher operational cost compared to more advanced mining industry. So this is also one of the factor. Fifth one is economic diversification. First, diversified economy. India's economy is diverse, with substantial contribution from agriculture, manufacturing and service sectors. The relative share of mining is naturally lower compared to countries with less diversified economies. This mining comes under primary sector of economy. So tertiary sector सबसे ज्यादा है, सेकेंडरी उसके बाद, प्राइमरी तो वैसे ही बहुत कम है. नेक्स्ट थिंग, फोकस ऑन अदर सेक्टर्स. After independence or post-independence, India has focused more on developing its industrial and service sectors. As a result, mining has not been prioritized to the same extent, तो वो थोड़ा सा पीछे रह गया. Then 6, international competition. Global market dynamics. India faces too much competition, stiff competition in the global mining sector from countries with more established mining industries, advanced technology and better regulatory environment. Export restriction की बात करें, then policies limiting the export of certain minerals can impact the profitability and growth potential of the mining industry. So these are the factors due to which the mining is not so beneficial for us, because of lots of factors which were discussed in these 6 factors. Now come to conclusion. While India has significant mineral resources due to its Gondwana land heritage, various factors like regulatory challenges, environmental, social consideration, infrastructural deficiency, economic diversification contribute to relatively low percentage of GDP from the mining sector. And addressing these challenges through policy reforms, technological upgrade, infrastructure improvement, we could enhance the contribution of mining in India's GDP in the future. So this is the positive end of this answer. So that is all for today. If you have any question or comment, leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe my channel Brain Bridge for more great educational content. See you next time. Thank you.